Hi Atish, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. So please tell us about yourself.
So, thank you, sir. First of all, giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Atish Ramesh Chewa. I am from Washim in Maharashtra. I
Mhm.
have completed my bachelor degree in computer science from Amravati University. In that scored 68.14
Okay.
percentage.
Mhm.
And sir, my hobbies is playing cricket and helps other.
Oh,
That's all about me, sir.
okay. So, how much confident you are in core Java?
Uh, Rating, yeah.
Yeah. So let's say one being the lowest, 10 being the highest.
Yeah. So 10 out of 6, sir.
Okay. So you are confident 60% with respect to core Java.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Okay. So can you tell me the default port number for a Spring Boot application?
Spring.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have not learned Spring Boot, only Core Java.
Core Java. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So default port number would be 8080. However, you can change it by specifying the desired port number in the application's configuration file. Okay. So now
Okay,
if
sir.
you are okay, what is threads in Java?
Sir, thread is a special task in multi-threading. In
Mhm.
multi-threading,
Mhm.
we can perform in a special time.
Okay.
It is a small thread in a multi-threading.
So what is the significance of having threads in Java?
Threads are we can use a group of a thread.
Hmm.
You can perform multiple tasks for using a thread.
Okay. So how will you create threads in Java?
Mm, First of all, sir, we can take one class,
Hmm.
then extend of a thread, and then will be a start of that thread.
Okay, so that is the process, that is the steps. But how will you
Okay.
create those threads in Java?
Yeah.
Mhm. You can try to recall, no worries.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay, sir. I'm not sure, sir. I not remember.
No worries. That's absolutely fine. So, see, let me share. Yeah. So, let's say you get this two things we'll discuss now. What are threads and how to create threads in Java? Okay. So, first of all, threads can be useful when you want to run multiple pieces of code in parallel, right? It is the significance of having thread is it will help you to do parallel processing, right? It's a lightweight process which can execute multiple codes in parallel. So that's why we use threads. Okay, it has got a separate memory. Now, how will you create threads in Java? Means threads can be created in Java by extending the thread class or by implementing the runnable interface. Okay, then you can also be asked about thread methods. So what are thread methods? So start, it will start the thread, right? Get state, it will return the state of the thread. Get name, it will return the name of the thread. Get priority, it returns the priority of the thread. So it is easy to remember. See, whatever is coming after get, that will be written for that particular thread. Okay, join. So it will stop the current thread until the called thread gets terminated, right? And is alive means check the thread is alive or not. Simple. Okay. Are you aware
Yes.
about thread life cycle? Are you aware about thread life
Yes.
cycle? Yeah.
Yes.
So what is thread life cycle? Which are the different
Uh,
statuses that you have?
yes. In that, sir, first of all, newborn state.
Great, great. Yeah,
In
yeah,
that, create a thread start.
yeah. So what happens in new? What what happens in
New means
yeah,
they create. It will be to call that thread. Uh, at
called
that
a
time,
thread?
this
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
then, sir, runnable state
Mm-hmm.
for a thread stop to executing to after processing means only ready they for execution,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and then a running state in
Then
that thread run, and when other thread is priority high, then that thread goes to waiting method.
waiting method. Okay. Okay, so what is waiting? Is it a method or is that a status?
No, sir, that is method.
Method.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's it. Any other status you are able to recall?
Yes, sir, date state.
That state?
Yeah.
Mm, this is a new state. Are you sure the status name is that?
I think stop, yeah, date, both.
Uh,
Not remember.
okay, okay. No worries. No worries. So, mm, so there are five different statuses in the thread life cycle. Okay. So whenever you have this status thing, so you have five statuses. Okay. New, runnable, running, waiting, and terminated. Right? The thing that you were telling no dead or stop, that is terminated. So new is when the thread instance is created, it will be in the new state. This is the first state that the thread would be in. Okay. And when it is started, it is called as runnable. When it is running, it is called as running state. And when the thread is put on hold, then it will be in the waiting state. And the dead thread is called as terminated state. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. What is Java string?
Java string.
Hmm.
So string is a immutable. We can use to create a string
Hmm.
uh, for a
Are you aware about Java string API?
uh, no, sir.
Okay. No, the thing that you were telling, no, that string will have its own methods. So it is related to Java string API. So are you able to recall that answer?
Okay, sir. It have some methods like uh, appends method,
Correct, correct. Then
then reverse.
reversing a string. Okay. Then
Sir, you can 5 seconds.
yeah, yeah,
Give.
you can take your time. Take your time. No worries. So we all are working from home. That's totally fine. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So then I tell reverse method and appends method, and then concat method to concat string.
Mhm.
That's
That's it.
three
Okay.
methods I know. Yeah.
Right, right. Right. So what is Java string APIs, right? So this API will have a collection of packages, classes, and methods related to the string itself. Okay. So now, how will you increase the string size in Java? How will you increase this?
Increase.
Yeah, yeah. Let's say you have to increase the string size in Java. So how will you do that?
Sir,
Mhm.
we can help of a string builder
Perfect. Yeah, yeah, good, good.
uh, to use.
Yes, yes. You are on the right track. String builder. Did you mention string builder
Also,
or string buffer?
string builder is immutable, mutable. We can change. We can
Oh,
change a string
mm-hmm.
and increase the size of a string. For using the add method.
It's not add method. The
It's
method name is different, but no worries. Can you write a program that can, you can write a program in which you can increase the string size. Is it possible for you to write the
no,
program?
sir, still
Okay, okay, no
not
worries.
comfortable in string. Yeah.
Okay, so let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, see, you can use the string builder for increasing the size of a string in Java. You mentioned it correctly, right? String builder has an inbuilt method called, sorry, set length, using which you can set the length of a string which is already initialized. Okay, and if you get this kind of question in an interview that you have to write the program, then you will have to be ready with the laptop. You'll have to be ready with the computer in which you can have IDE or Notepad++ or any online tool in which you can write the Java programs, right? So this is the program which you can demo, right? So they have created this object here, and then they are increasing the length size, and then you will get in the output they are printing it, the increased length. Okay, so that's how you can explain in interview. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, what is inheritance?
Inheritance, sir. In that, sir, two class. One is a parent class,
Mm,
then child class. In the parent class, data members inherits a child class to using a extend keyword.
mm-hmm.
And when called a child class, we can create the object of a child class, and that object through we can access the parent class data members and the properties.
Okay, which are the different types of inheritance?
Sir, five types of inheritance.
Mm-hmm.
First is a simple inheritance. Second is a multi level inheritance. Third is a hierarchical inheritance, and third is a multiple. And multiple it's not a support in Java, but include. And last of hybrid inheritance.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So what is the difference between multiple and multi-level inheritance?
Sir, multi-level in that one parent class, there are multiple child class. And other hand is a multiple inheritance in that multiple parent class, their single child class.
In case of multiple, you are telling multiple parent class.
Yeah.
No, in case of multiple inheritance, a child class can inherit from more than one parent class, right? What about
Yeah.
multi-level inheritance?
Multi-level inheritance, one parent class and a multiple child class.
Okay. So in multi-level inheritance, a class is actually derived from another class, which is itself derived from another class, right? So that's called multi-level. Okay. What is method overriding?
Method overriding. Method overriding in that same class name and same parameter.
So can you
When we
elaborate?
call
Yeah, can you elaborate? Can you explain in detail what is method overriding?
overriding, also sir, in that class to extend other class means one class override other class.
One class will override. Yeah, yeah, overriding will happen. But what is method overriding?
Override. I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, do you want some time to think?
Sir, I'm not remember.
Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. So let me help you. Mm, okay, so method overriding, right? The method overriding, in this you will have a subclass in which you would be able to provide a specific implementation. So let's say if you have some name, a return type, parameters, those things would be same as that of superclass itself, right? So you have one class, in that you have a superclass, right? So again, you can have the mechanism in method overriding, that's like we just discussed about name, return type, parameters should be same as that of superclass itself, right? Now there are some important rules that one needs to follow for method overriding, right? So the method in the subclass must have the same method signature as the method in the superclass we just discussed. The return type of the overriding method can be same or as a subtype of the return type of the overridden method, right? Then access level of the overriding method cannot be more restrictive than the overridden method itself. For example, if a method in the superclass is declared as protected, the overriding method in the subclass cannot be declared as private, right? You are getting this?
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah. Then this particular annotation is optional, but it is always recommended so that it can help you to debug, it can help you to catch errors if the method is not actually overriding a method in the superclass. Okay. Okay, great. So which are the oops method, which are the, oops concepts in Java that you are aware of?
Yes, sir. And
Hmm.
so, OOPS concept, object-oriented programming language.
Correct. So which are the
It's
concepts that you are aware of? Yeah. Which are the
it
four
has a
pillars of oops? Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
First is the abstraction. Second is
Mm,
the polymorphism. Third
mm,
is the inheritance, and last of the encapsulation.
okay. So what is polymorphism?
Sir,
Hello. Hello. Hello, Atish. Am I audible?
audible, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. No worries, no worries. Yeah. Please go ahead.
So I'm talking about
Polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Yeah, yeah. What is polymorphism?
Yeah. Sir. Polymorphism means many form. Poly means many form.
Hmm. So can you give me an example of polymorphism?
Okay. Sir, one student, they are go to school.
Mm.
There they are a student, and they also go to home. There they are a son, and they
Sorry?
also go to hotel.
Mm.
Hello,
Yeah.
may I double say?
Yes, yes, yes.
They also go to hotel.
Mm.
they one of the customer. So means one entity and perform some action, multiple action. So like example of a polymorphism.
Okay, okay. Okay, Atish, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much and wish you all the best for your career.
Oh, thank you sir.
Yeah, thank
Nice to
you.
meet you sir.
Same here.